Certainly, let's ace English politeness. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on accepting requests and, more specifically, how to use the word certainly to express polite acceptance. So, sit back and get ready to enhance your communication skills. The word certainly is an adverb used to express agreement or assurance. When you use certainly in response to a request, you are politely accepting that request. It's a way of saying yes, but with added politeness and formality. Let's look at some examples to see how certainly can be used in different contexts. 1. Request, could you please pass the salt? Response, certainly. 2. Request, can you send me the report by tomorrow? Response, certainly, I will do that. You'll notice that certainly can stand alone as a complete response, or it can be used within a sentence to add assurance to your agreement. While yes is a common way to accept a request, certainly adds a level of respect and courtesy. It's especially useful when you're speaking to someone you want to show respect to, like a boss, a client, or someone you don't know very well. Here's an example to show the difference. Request, can I leave early today? Response with yes. Yes, you can. Response with certainly, certainly, you may. See how certainly adds a touch of politeness. While certainly is a great tool for being polite, remember that it's more formal. It may not be appropriate in all settings. In casual conversations with friends or family, a simple, sure, or, of course, might be more natural. That wraps up our lesson on using certainly in English. Keep practicing using certainly in various contexts, and soon, it will become a natural part of your vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to master polite English conversation. Stay tuned for more lessons in conversational English, and as always, keep learning, keep growing. Certainly, you're doing great.